see how to do or how to sketch in SolidWorks. So now let's start. Choose front plane, sketch, and select center rectangle and start from origin point and draw a rectangle. Assign the dimension 972 by 492 mm. Okay. Now choose fillet, and here we will keep the corner radius, let's say 100 mm, and select the whole rectangle. Okay. Okay. Now select extruded boss and extrude up to 300 mm reverse direction. Okay. See, now select this face, sketch normal. First make center line. Now again choose a rectangle, center rectangle, and let's draw a rectangle here. Now let's define it 350 mm and the overall length 400 mm, and the distance from outer line must be 75 mm. Okay. Now select extruded cut. We want to cut inside up to 170 mm. Okay. Now see, now choose fillet, select 40 mm and select this face. Okay. Now again choose fillet, this time select 100 mm and select the 4 corners of the cutouts. Carefully select the 4 corners, select here. Okay. Now see, it looks a round shape, perfect shape. Select the top face, sketch. First thing, just draw a rectangle. Okay. Now choose here and select center point, straight slot. Let's draw a slot. Exit. Select this line, center line, and make relation vertical. Now let's define this length 200 mm and keep the radius 60 mm, and let's say the distance from this cutout keep 50 mm only, it should be near. Okay. Now select extruded cut and make the depth 140 mm inside. Okay. Now you can see here, choose fillet, keep 20 mm and select inside edges. You can see it here. Okay. Now select this face again, sketch. Now this time we will select this outer edges. Press shift key and select all outer edges. And go to sketch and select here convert entities. Now see, this outer edges already converted. Choose offset entities, select here 12 and select this any one line. Select chain reverse inside 12 mm. Okay. Go to feature and select extruded boss. We want to extrude up to a small portion 9 mm. That's it. Okay. Now a structure or a body is ready. Look at here. keep perspective so looks real 3D. Now select this face, sketch, select normal. This is the front face of this face. Now we will do one thing, the same thing, select all the edges. Select here convert entity. Now it is converted. Select these 3 lines. Choose offset entity. Select unchecked here chain, reverse direction, and keep the gap 9 mm. See here, okay. Select a line, draw a horizontal line. Let's draw a construction line, vertical construction line. Just try to mirror this line against center line, okay. Reverse, better to draw it, and define this length 280 mm, okay. Now select this line and make relation equal, okay. Now choose spline. Cancel, choose a line and just draw a word horizontal, exit. Now select mirror, select this spline and mirror about this center line, okay. Just undo and let's try. First we will see this, okay, it's 280. Here are the some, delete this relation. Now define the gap 9 mm, okay, and here also keep the distance 9 mm so that our geometry will be fully defined. Make sure the radius 79, okay. Now we will little adjust. Now delete this line. Let's try to mirror this, okay. Now choose a line, draw a horizontal, exit. Choose corner radius 50 mm and select both the corner ends, okay. Now let's define the distance. $899. 394.35. Okay. Now this ellipse, this spline, you can define it also, but I don't want to waste that much time, so let's go and select here extruded boss. See this portion extruded, and extrude only up to 5 mm, a small thickness, you can see here. Okay. Now it's time to add some corner fillets. Choose fillet, select 3 mm, select this corner, delete, select this corner also, make sure the all corners selected. Okay. Now again keep fillet, this time choose top surface and this also top surface, select OK. Fillet, keep 2 mm and here select this face. Okay. Fillet, keep 8 mm and select this big hole cutout edge. Okay. Now again choose fillet and this time keep 7 mm and now select the edge of this small basin or small extruded cut part. Now see, now it's time to make this, use this shell command and give the proper shape to this wash basin. Keep shell 2.5 mm and select the faces, which face you don't want to keep or just remove. Except front, we selected all the faces and we want to remove. Select here OK. See, our basin already took the shape. This is our basin, you can see it here. With the help of simple command we created this basin. Now let's make some grill marks on this face. So select this face, sketch, and first draw a center line. Now select here center point straight slot. .25 and keep the length 235.5 mm and let's say distance from outer edge 95.6 mm. Okay, select corner, select this line as a axis and here select this and keep the gap 45 mm. Choose here 3 numbers. Now select this axis or make here two numbers only, 3 axis. Okay. Now again choose this line as a axis, and here select this, select reverse direction, keep 45 mm, select 3 numbers. Okay, now this is our, let's check the gap between these two. It must be 20 mm. You can see it here, 20 mm, and the corner 12.5 mm. Okay, now select extruded boss and extrude up to 3 mm only. Okay, choose fillet, keep 3 mm and select this all bottom edges. Okay, again keep fillet. Now this time select all these 5 top surfaces, keep 3 mm radius. Okay. Okay, now select this inside face, sketch normal. Now here we want to create a basin hole for water inlet and outlet, water outlet. Again choose a center line and draw one line. Let's make one more center line and draw a line from this center point. Exit. Choose circle and draw 2 circles. Let's keep this diameter 70 mm. Okay, now select both the circles and make a relation equal. Okay, you can check this 70 mm. Okay, now select extruded cut. So just select downward. Okay, now you can see here the hole is created. Choose fillet, keep 3 mm and select both the edges. Okay, now select this face, sketch normal, and here we want to create a hole. Select hole, just define this diameter 20 mm and the distance from this line keep 30 mm and the distance from any one point. Okay, now see the hole is fully defined. Just to give the dimension, extruded cut and select here through all. Okay, choose fillet and keep the whole dia 1 mm and select this edge, radius 1 mm. Okay, now the hole also created. This is the hole for tap, water tap. So now let's make our last part. Select this face again, sketch normal, and here we want to create some again extruded part. So first draw a center line, then choose a line, and draw a half circle. Press escape. Choose 3-point arc. Again select these 2 points. Okay. Again select these 2 points. Exit. Now let's make the relation tangent. Okay. Let's define the dimension. .257. Select 45 mm. 40 mm. 27 mm. Okay, by default. And let's say the distance from outer line 100 mm. Okay. Now choose mirror entity and select this all geometry and mirror about this center line. See here. Okay. Now select extruded boss and extrude up to only 3 mm. That's it, not more than that. Okay. Keep fillet. Select bottom edge 3 mm. Okay. Now again keep once more fillet 3 mm and select the top face. Okay, top faces. Now this is the our basin is ready. This is the wash basin. This is 2 chamber basin. One is small and one big. Now it's time to give the material. So select the part, go to appearance, select steel. Let's see, this is the polished steel, but the polished steel is not better feel. Go to chrome, choose here chrome plate. See, okay, this is the better looking, a very nice shape and very nice material structure. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Don't forget to share and like our videos. Thanks for watching.